It was an ordinary day for 4 officers of the Spanish Fork Police Department until they received an emergency call. A car had overturned in an icy Utah river. The officers rushed to the scene, prepared for the worst. What they weren't prepared for, however, was the mysterious voice that greeted them. A desperate female voice calling out from the inside of the vehicle, "Help!" Upon reaching the wreckage, they discovered a disturbing sight. The driver, 25-year-old mother, Jenny Grosbeck, was already dead from her injuries, and her 18-month-old daughter, Lily, was unconscious, strapped in her car seat, hanging upside down. The eerie part? The voice they had heard could not possibly have come from either of them. Officer Jared Warner, one of the first to arrive at the scene, recalled, "We've gotten together and just talk about it, and all 4 of us can swear that we heard somebody inside the car saying, 'Help!' Yet, when they flipped the car, they found only the lifeless mother and her unconscious child. The voice they had heard, whilst unexplained, was undeniably real. The officers couldn't fathom how little Lily had survived. For nearly 14 hours, she had been hanging upside down in her car seat, without food or water, icy water rushing below her through the broken car windows. The temperatures had hovered near freezing throughout the night and into the morning. Several members of the river rescue team had to be treated for hypothermia, yet, against all the odds, Lily survived, and in time, made a full recovery. Officer Tyler Beddoes said of Lily's survival, "It's a miracle, she was needed for sure elsewhere." But this miraculous story doesn't end with Lily's survival. One of the officers, Tyler Beddoes, was deeply affected by the mysterious voice. He had been grappling with his faith, and the call to save Lily came at a time when he was feeling particularly tested. "I was in a complete downward spiral right up until Lily. It was some of my worst moments of darkness, spiritually speaking." Tyler said, this event, however, sparked a change in him. He became convinced that the voice they had heard was not from the car, but from an angel. Tyler shared with Deseret News, "And then that incident, the voice we heard, it really just changed my outlook on life and the spiritual realm as well." He credits the rescue and Lily's miraculous recovery with saving his own life. "We rescued baby Lily that day and heard the voice, but in reality she rescued me, and the voice rescued me and my faith," Tyler shared. His faith, which had been lost, was powerfully restored through this encounter because God showed up in a big way through a tiny little girl, and Tyler could see the signs of heaven all around the encounter. Once Tyler had felt God so loud and clear he couldn't keep things to himself. He has now shared his experience in his collaborative book, Proof of Angels. The book shares powerful stories of angels, and Tyler was thrilled to get to put baby Lily's story to paper. "Angel encounters happen all the time," Tyler told Deseret News. "It's amazing doing the research for the book. You can talk to so many people, and so many people have emailed me saying, 'I've had this same type of experience,' and they're all over." I think that if we really open our eyes to it, it happens all the time. The story of survival, faith, and the unfathomable serves as a reminder of the miracles that can and do happen, even in the direst of circumstances. There is no doubt that baby Lily has changed the lives of those who her story has touched. God can truly use all things for good. God has a plan and purpose that is much bigger than our understanding, and sent this family a miracle. Bless this baby and bless her rescuers. We invite you to become part of our community. If you've been moved by this true story of faith, survival, and the inexplicable, please show us your support. Like this video, leave a comment sharing your thoughts or your own experiences of everyday miracles. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more inspiring and heart-touching stories. Your engagement not only helps us grow, but also builds a community where we can share and uplift each other with stories of hope and miracles. Remember, miracles do exist and they happen all the time. So thank you for watching, and always keep your eyes open to the wonders around you.